Hey, what's going on, Aquarius? This is Zen with Lightsea Tarot. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have your mid-month July 2020 reading popping off today. So we'll do a 3-card spread as per usual with an outcome card. We'll make sure to clarify all these positions, and then we'll get some guidance and some advice from the universe through the oracle cards as well. If this message resonates with you, please do me a favor and drop me a comment down below. Let me know how this connects with you. I would love to connect with you guys and to continue to create some really dope content. If you do like the content that you do see, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends. And I would love to, again, continue to bring you guys some more content. I also do private readings as well. And you can get those if you email me at lightseedtarot@gmail.com. That's lightseedtarot@gmail.com. All right, Aquarius, let's see what we have popping off for you for the second half of July. So first and foremost, we have the 8 of Pentacles. Ooh, we got the Ace of Cups. We have the 10 of Wands. We have the Queen of Wands. And the overall energy for your reading is the 7 of Cups. So right now you feel like you got a lot of options. Some of you might be feeling a little confused in this moment. Maybe I'm also feeling that some of you have a lot of opportunities that are presented to you right now. And you're kind of having trouble like making a decision. You're shopping around, but you're just having a tough time making a decision about how to proceed and how to move forward. So whatever the situation is surrounding, it's something that you confide in that's very important to you. It's something that you have this energy of you've worked very, very hard to get to this point, and it's not something that you want to squander or waste your effort upon. Excuse me, with the 8 of Pentacles being here. For your emotional state, you have the Ace of Cups, which is really, really great. You feel loved. You feel like really abundant. You feel very nourished and nurtured, and you feel full of life. You feel like you're in a place where you could give to others. You feel a lot of love coming from the divine on you in this moment. Your challenge right now is the 10 of Wands. But there is this level of like heaviness that's happening right now, or there's a warning of something that you're not letting go of. With this overall energy of the 7 of Cups, something that I'm getting for some of you is that these opportunities that are being presented to you, you're so afraid of missing out on the other 6 that, like the other 6 cups that are being offered, that you're having such a hard time just choosing the one when they all have a benefit for you, right? It's just that you have to trust that whichever one you pick, whatever decision that you make is the right one for you. Right? So that level of heaviness and kind of like indecisiveness and all of that is something to be a little cautious of. For your outcome, you have the Queen of Wands. So the Queen of Wands is, of course, that energy of just deep exploration, adventure, looking off into the distance, having a lot of ambition, and you know, the long-term vision, of course. So there's something that you are trying to call towards you in this moment. So let's clarify all the positions real quick. We'll start with the overall energy in the 7 of Cups. Aquarius, I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are being safe, nurturing yourselves, getting therapy if that's what you feel like you need. I hope you're getting everything that you need in this moment. Let's put it like that. All right, so we have the Two of Pentacles, we have the Six of Cups, and we have the Two of Wands. So these options that you're being presented with, there's a lot of back and forth happening. You're having trouble deciding between your past and your future. With the Six of Cups and the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands is definitely a projection of moving forward and wanting to move forward. However, you haven't taken that first step yet. You just basically said, I want to do this. With the Six of Cups, this is definitely something that's reminiscent of your past. Something like that could be from your childhood. With the Two of Pentacles, you're kind of juggling. You're kind of in this weird limbo of deciding, you know, if you're trying to be this person that you've always been, or if you're going to explore the unknown and try to grow into this person that you're trying to be. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. So we got the Five of Cups, the Emperor, and the Fool. So whatever this is that you've really prepared for, something that you've really worked hard to cultivate and to really produce, that's very close to your heart, is something that came from a place, like I almost feel like this sense of, I don't want to say a grudge, but something that kind of equates to that you're holding on to. It may not necessarily be not a grudge, but you're holding like grief, like you haven't fully grieved something. Like something is holding you back. Whatever this thing is that's coming from your past, that's what's not allowing you to move forward and to trust in the unknown and moving forward, is that whatever this disappointment was that happened in your past, you're holding on to it like you haven't properly grieved. It's keeping you stuck. This could have something to do with a Taurus or somebody that has a lot of Taurus placement or Earth in their chart. You're trying to be optimistic. You want to move forward, but there's something that's just getting in the way. And I think it's something that you're not seeing. You're just not focused on what you need to be focused on in this moment. You're focused on whatever disappointing energy is surrounding this situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups for Aquarius. Ooh, goodness gracious. So I'm going to take the ones that are facing up. What we got? Oh, there's 4. So we have the Mother of Wands, which is the Queen of Wands, of course. We have the Mother of Pentacles, the Father of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. Wow. So there's a part of me for some of you that feels like this is in relation to love, because there's all these different energies. You have royalty sitting here, but then you have this Eight of Cups, like you're just not trying to deal with this right now. So you have the Queen of we have the Queen of Wands energy, which is of course fire. We have the Mother of Pentacles energy, which of course is earth, and then you have the Father of Swords energy, which of course is air, which honestly that could definitely be your energy. That could be you, Aquarius, in this time. Which I'm kind of foreseeing that this is something that right now you are just trying to pour into yourself, and you really are not trying to deal with whatever these other two energies are right now, this fire and this earth energy. It's something that you're just not particularly interested in or emotionally invested in this moment. You're just not trying to deal with it. That could also have to do with that Seven of Cups. This could be that whole being confused about your options. You don't want to miss out on something. Son of Wands, Hanged Man, and the Six of Wands. So the challenge here, this heaviness, and not wanting to let go of something and holding on tight to it, you gotta let it go. You gotta set that free. You gotta let it loose. Also, it's I'm also getting a warning for those of you, like this whole like fight or flight thing and just running away from it and not wanting to deal with whatever this situation is with this fire and this earth sign, is not gonna produce the best result for you. Be careful of that, because there's still the sense of like immaturity and like arrogance that's kind of about that energy with the Ten of Wands, and all it's gonna do is just make things a lot heavier for you, and it's gonna just make the situation worse because you're trying so hard to hold onto it tightly and to continue to maintain it. But yeah, it's not going to be healthy for you, and it's not going to be healthy for anyone that's involved. You're going to mess around and lose both people completely. Or like you're trying so hard to hold on tight to them that you're going to lose everything. You may want to turn that loose. So let's get some clarification for the outcome with the Queen of Wands for Aquarius for the latter half of July 2020. We got the Magician, the Four of Swords, and Justice. Yeah, Aquarius, you're so focused on the end results that I think a decision is going to come. There's a decision that's going to come about. It's going to be tiresome. And it's something that you are going to manifest directly on your own. Be careful, though, about the intentions of which you're manifesting from. For some of you, because it's going to leave you depleted, very, very tired, and feeling like... this could be in regards to a Libra too, by the way. But yeah, there's something about this coming to fruition that's going to leave you a little depleted, and just want you and put you in a state of like, I just need to rest and recharge and regain my strength. But yeah, there's a decision that's going to come about. And it might be made for you, for some of you. So a decision, if you don't make the decision yourself about whatever this Seven of Cups like energy is, if you don't make a decision and you keep shopping, the universe is going to make a decision for you. Everybody's going to be disappointed. It kind of looks like it anyway with that energy. Okay, so we have the Oracle cards here. Let's get some advice for Aquarius. Oops. Okay. So we have, Mouse Spirit, tend to the small things. Rabbit, now is a lucky time. Dove Spirit, be peace. Last and finally, we have Turtle Spirit, slow and steady wins the race. Okay. So let's break this down real quick. So I think right now, this feeling of like treasuring like the things that you have to offer in this moment, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think that's in alignment with what you want and with what you're looking for. However, you know, it's still a time where you need to tend to the things that are important to you, for sure. Right now, with this new level of abundance and this energy of these multiple people and such, now is a lucky time, is where you're supposed to be in this moment, like as far as like pouring into yourself. Continue to pour into yourself, balance yourself out a little bit, and really focus on yourself internally, but still make sure that you're still in motion and you're really thinking about the overall grand scheme of things and how to progress, like in terms of baby steps. So the challenge with the 10 of Wands, be still, be peace, calm down. Don't freak out so much. Make sure that you're being mindful of your inner peace in this moment, especially because this is what you're doing. You're pouring into yourself. You know, peace is a good sign of when things are, you know, meant to be, or you're in alignment or anything like that. But to keep that weight from being super, super unbearable, regain your peace. For your outcome with this Queen of Wands, you have the Turtle Spirit, slow and steady wins the race. Again, before you're so focused on the end result that you're not really thinking about how to get there, the advice from the universe is just to take your time. Be present in the moment. Really think about why you're here in this time. Think about why, you know, you're dealing with whatever circumstances that you're dealing with, and try to break it down and understand either what you're supposed to learn or gain in this moment in order to move forward. The success is inevitable. You're going to win the race anyway. Your ending is going to come to fruition. Your vision will be realized. It will manifest. It's just that you got to take stock in the how and not necessarily the what it is at the end. So yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in, Aquarius. Thanks so much for taking the time out to come and be present with me for your reading for the second half of July. I really, really hope this helped. So stay healthy, stay safe, and stay planted. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.